Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott, and I really do appreciate you guys being here with me today and allowing me to help you grow as a profitable Forex trader. All right, I appreciate each and every one of you who have subscribed over the years. Those of you who have been loyal, I thank you guys so much because it means the world. And I want you guys to know that the more and more I connect with each and every one of you, everyone from around the world, the more it gives me the energy to continue to want to do more. So continue to pour out positive, feedback and all this stuff. As long as it's genuine. I mean, if you feel like things are not working for you, then let me know. Maybe I could tweak something. But it's very important to understand how you feel as well. So, but I really do appreciate all responses. So I just want you guys to know that today's this video is going to be about something that I hear. I'm starting to hear people say this quite often, and I want to set things clear. I want you guys to understand the something that I hear a lot is that everyone knows that I'm a long-term trader and I trade off the daily chart. All right, but from time to time I hear people make an excuse. Maybe they don't know maybe those of you that might feel this way, you just don't know. But when I hear that, man, I don't trade the day chart because you got to have a lot of money to trade a day chart. You could lose a lot of money on a day chart. All right, so when I hear that, I'm like, all right, so if you could lose a lot of money on a day chart, shouldn't you lose the same amount of money on a minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart? The answer is yes. You could lose the same amount of money. If the price is, let's look at my chart. Right now we're on a Euro USD daily chart. It's 1.12687. When I drop down to the minute chart, basically I'm showing you guys this because I want you to know that the same price that shows on the minute chart is the same price that it is on the day chart. Any time frame, 1 pip is 1 pip. There's a huge distinction from the day chart to the minute chart. It's a huge distinction, and I'm going to break it down to you. I'm going to break it down for you. All right, I happen to trade the day chart because the day chart, it provides clear signals as to which way the market is going. All right, however, on the minute chart, you have a lot of noise, and I'm sure most of you have heard that. There's a lot of noise on the minute chart. You have 1,000 to 1,000,000 different support and resistance levels. You don't know which level is the strongest. You don't know which level is the weakest. Because when you put a level here, this looks like this is a level, then you have another level down here. You have another level over here, another one right here, another one over here. So you have 1,000 different levels, and it's quite hard to realize which one is the strongest. So basically, when you go to the day chart, you have less details but stronger support and resistance levels. All right, so that's why I trade off the daily chart. I have more direction opposed to questionable moves. All right, if I want to just throw money away, I'll trade on a minute chart. Not to offend those of you that trade a minute chart. That's just not my thing that I do. I don't trade a minute chart. It takes too much focus, and I like things to be simple and easy. That's just the way I'm wired. I like things to be simple and easy. That's just me. But if your thing is to look at the minute chart, maybe in conjunction with another chart, that's fine. Do you? But it's just not my style. I want an easy approach, and the daily chart gives me more control over my days. All right, so that's the reason why I trade the daily. It has, let's just say this level right here might be a level, but then when you look at, let's just look at this right here, and let's see how big this might be on the minute chart. And you see it's just 3 candles, but when you go to the minute chart, let's go back and see That was, this was May 2nd. So we're going to have to go back quite a bit for May 2nd. Let's see, May 2nd. Yeah, it's gonna be back some. So let's go. Let's see. All right, now this is the 30-minute chart, and you see how much data is on the 30-minute. Now it's not as much as when you look at the 15-minute. And of course, let's just drop down to the minute now. Basically, it's a lot of data that you're going to have, and basically you're going to have levels everywhere. All right, because you have all those levels, you don't know as it's going up which level is resistance. You don't know if it's going to break through that level. You know, so basically, why trade with so many inconsistencies or misdirection and being misguided off of, you know, a chart that has so much noise? All right. It's a much smoother transition when you can trade off of this. You know, you have a clear direction. Pull back, market goes down. Price action, resistance. Real simple. It's real simple, and I don't understand. I do not understand for the life of me why it comes off to be so hard for people. But you know what? If you need help with that, I'm the man. I'm the man. So I want you guys to know, if you need help with it, I can help you with it. Yeah, I have a lot of different ways to show you. It's so simple though. But I want to reach out to everyone and let you guys know that you guys might be making it harder on yourselves trading a small time frame. Make it easy. You know, trading out the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute is just, it's too much to look at. Even the 1 hour, it's too much to look at. Make it easier on yourself. And look at a higher time frame so you can have clear direction. All right. And please, if you believe in your heart that trading on trading on a daily, you need a lot of money to trade on a daily. It's a lie. Do not believe it. Let it go as far away from you as you possibly can, because whether you have $500 in a market trading a day chart or $500 in a market trading a 1 minute chart, if you make 5 pips, it's the same amount if you're looking at the daily chart as it would be looking at the minute chart. The same amount of money. In fact, you'll have a clear realization of where the market is going looking at the daily chart than you would looking at the minute chart. The minute chart, after it go up 5-10 pips, you might think that resistance line, yeah, okay, I need to get out. So you pull out. Whereas on the daily chart, you realize that it's at a major level, and you know it was coming from a major level of support, and it's going up. And the next level is quite far away. So while I could make 600 pips going up because this is one level and the next level is up 600 pips, I have a 600 pip move. You, on the other hand, you're looking at the minute chart and you have a very small move because your resistance level, which really isn't strong at all, is only a few pips higher than where you entered. While my resistance is hundreds of pips above, which makes, if you traded $500, a small account on a daily chart at a small volume, you can make a lot of money. Real simple. That's all for now, you guys. I hope you guys take this to heart. Hope you guys understand. I hope that I actually offended some of you so that you can understand where you're going wrong. Because sometimes you have to be exposed in order to realize your mistakes. All right. So I want to leave this with you guys. Hopefully you guys liked it. Until next time, peace.